Welcome to the Facts Wonder channel, where we embark on a journey to explore the incredible world of meditation. In this video, we'll delve deep into the essence of meditation, its significance for all, and offer a beginner's guide to kickstart your own meditation practice. So, let's unlock the power of meditation and discover the path to inner peace. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, finding a moment of tranquility can be challenging. That's where meditation comes in. But what is meditation, and why is it something everyone should consider? Meditation is not just sitting in silence, it's a profound journey into your own mind. It's a practice that has been cultivated for thousands of years, transcending cultures and beliefs. At its core, meditation is about achieving a state of deep inner peace and mindfulness. Meditation involves focusing your mind, eliminating the mental clutter, and achieving a sense of calm. It's about being fully present in the moment, free from the distractions of the external world. Now, you might wonder, why is meditation important for everyone? The answer is simple. Our modern lives are filled with stress, anxiety, and constant distractions. Meditation provides a refuge, a sanctuary within ourselves. It helps us manage stress, alleviate anxiety, and find inner peace. It's a tool for self-discovery and personal growth. Moreover, research has shown that regular meditation can have profound effects on your physical and mental well-being. From reducing blood pressure to enhancing creativity, the benefits are astounding. If you're new to meditation, you're in the right place. Starting your meditation journey doesn't require any special skills or equipment. Here's how you can begin. First, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your room, a garden, or a peaceful park. Next, choose a comfortable posture. You can sit cross-legged, on a chair, or even lie down, as long as you can stay alert and relaxed. Close your eyes and start to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Your breath is your anchor to the present moment. As you meditate, you'll notice that your mind may wander. It's completely normal. The key is to gently bring your attention back to your breath without judgment. Begin with just a few minutes of meditation each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. There are many meditation apps and guided sessions available that can help you get started. Don't hesitate to seek guidance when needed. Meditation is a journey of self-discovery, an exploration of your own mind. It's a path to inner peace that's open to everyone. We hope this video has shed light on what meditation is, why it's important for all, and how beginners can embark on this transformative journey. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on mindfulness, meditation, and holistic well-being. Thank you for joining us on this voyage to unlock the power of meditation. Until next time, may your journey be filled with serenity and self-discovery.